Some roads will take you from one place to another. And then some roads take you deeper into the story of your life. For us, this journey begins inside Innabella, our tiny home on wheels, with the sun rising behind us and the wide open Utah desert calling our names. Layered canyons, sandstone cliffs and sky, big enough to make you feel both small and infinite. Ina sat next to me, Charlie crawled up behind us, and it felt like three of us were driving straight into a dream. When we reached Zion National Park, the scale of it all hit us like a wave. Massive walls of red rock rising toward the heaven. Millions of years carved by wind, water, and time itself. Then we hiked Canyon Overlook Trail, one slow step after another, until entire valley opens beneath our feet.
Take me out, I wanna see big, big lights, they shine on me. I wanna lay my head and feel the beat. That's my way.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
my way. It's not a big thing, but it's so hard. Now that you've touched my useless heart. It's not a big thing, but I want it to start. Now that you've touched my useless heart.
This place is so grand, it almost did not feel real.
Start. Now that you've touched my useless heart. Take me out, I wanna hear big, big drums inside my ears. I wanna lay my head and face the fear. That's my way. That's my way.
Кто это? Who is that? Whose face is it? Кто это? Кто это? Is it Charlie? Is it our Charlie? Charlie, good boy. our adventure at Zion National Park is coming to an end. And today we took a scenic drive that was recommended by a ranger. It's 5 mile long, and in the end of it, there is round trip 1 mile hike to viewpoint. And we will see viewpoint together just in a moment. We're almost there.
But Zion was breathing heavy that day. The crowds, the noise, the constant flow of people. It felt less like a sanctuary and more like a world we were trying to escape. So we chased something quieter, something just for us. That's how we found the Candy Cliff, the hidden treasure of Yant Flats. Tucked away in Red Cliffs conservation area near St. George. And when we arrived, there was no one. No footsteps, only silence and endless shapes of stone. Sculpted, painted by sunlight into reds, oranges, and soft pinks like nature's own watercolor. Up there, felt like time stopped. Just me, Ina, and Charlie standing on waves of ancient sand, listening to nothing but the wind. It was one of those rare moments where the world becomes simple again, where love feels louder, when the nature feels closer, and when you remember why you started traveling at all. Another adventure tucked in to our hearts. This is what our journey is about. Real places, real moments, and real stories. Subscribe to our channel Cinematic Adventures, because more epic journeys are on the way. And trust me, you don't want to miss what comes next.